Welcome to V Zillion presentation. We are Zillionaires. In short, V Zillion. What does zillion mean? Million, billion, trillion, and the next is zillion. A number followed by 33 zero decimals is called as zillion. Through V Zillion business plan, everyone could become zillionaires. That's a motive. V Zillion business plan is based on Tron cryptocurrency. Let's familiarize ourselves about Tron. Tron cryptocurrency is a growing and revolutionized cryptocurrency. Only Tron blockchain has its own exchange and is used on gaming platforms on large scale. In CoinMarketCap exchange, Tron cryptocurrency is considered as one among the top cryptocurrencies. Tron cryptocurrency is being used in our V Zillion business, and that is the main reason for its position. Not only that, low gas charges, sometimes with no gas charges, also be registered. With the current scenario, cryptocurrency is very popular in India. With the help of Bitrefill website, more than 1,600 popular brands can be bought with cryptocurrency. Our V Zillion is 100% decentralized. Due to Tron cryptocurrency, the business that happens in V Zillion does not require a company, a CEO, or for that matter any staff, because it is 100% decentralized. Hence, without anyone's interference, the amount is safe, secured, and can be transferred to wallet as a gift. Next is the point called as anonymity. Let's talk about that. When we register for V Zillion company, we do not have to disclose any details about us, including our pair. That is why it's called as anonymity. The next point is affordability. We can pay the lowest Tron and start a business in V Zillion. It is 100% transparent. Using Tron blockchain to do business in V Zillion, all members can be aware of all the transactions. Information such as total sales in the company, everyday sales, total amount of commissions gained, etc. can be declared openly. Not just that, using verified smart contract, details uploaded on Tron blockchain contract can never be modified or tampered with by anyone. So the details are well secured. Not just that, no boundaries. Sitting in the comfort of your home, you can now run your business anywhere in the world using only your mobile phone. This is only because of V Zillion. First, let's see what are we supposed to download. People using iOS mobile phones will have to download Tron Link Wallet or Tron Wallet. People using Android phones will have to download token packets or D packets. Only one wallet address can be linked with one ID. But if necessary, various wallet addresses can be created and registered with various IDs. Let's see V Zillion highlights. Compared to any other company, ours is one of the best and most profitable business plans. At V Zillion, we can pay the lowest, that is 100 Tron, to register and start our own business. Not just that, using easy partial payment system, registration and upgradation can be done easily. At the lowest of the business, with the help of a small team, V Zillion provides the foundation to earn maximum amount of profit. On each of the level, with the help of each of the sale from our team, this business plan provides one of the best way to earn on every level. V Zillion business gives an opportunity to earn Tron almost every day. You can also maintain the leadership throughout the business. At any given point of time, nobody can block the business. In V Zillion, nobody can be forced to work under anyone's leadership. In this business plan, there is no need for any kind of spillover. You can start a business at the lowest, like 100 Tron. Minimum of 1,380% profit can be earned in this new age, modern and best business plan started and provided by V Zillion. Let's have a look at the plan designed by V Zillion, which is also the best plan in globalization. Let's look into Cycle 1 Active Plan. In the Active Plan of Cycle 1, on the first level, we have only 4 levels. First level, 500 Trons. Second level, 1000 Trons. Third level, 5000 Trons. And fourth level, 40,000 Trons. Let's have a look into V Zillion marketing plan. You, as in us, Under our registered ID, you can give unlimited direct referrals. There are no restrictions of any kind. Let us show you the registration on the first level. First level is 500 trons, but with the help of easy partial payment, you would be able to pay and register in 3 easy installments. When we say that 500 trons can be paid in 3 easy parts, first part 100, second part 150 trons, and third part 250 trons, thus dividing the 500 trons into easy installments. If you can, also pay 500 trons in one go, or they can pay this in 3 partial payments. Income derived from sales from each of the part will be transferred to your wallet automatically at that instant. Let's know about this in detail. As I said before, on the first level, unlimited direct referrals can be given. But due to 3 matrix projection, this is just an example diagram to show you how much you are likely to earn. You as in under your ID, let's assume that A, B and C are the sales done. So as per this, income earned due to direct referrals will be 3 members into 500 trons. Calculating 70% out of this, the income that we have earned is 1050 trons. In VZillion, you can earn income more than this. Let's see how this is one of the best and the modern business plans. Let's see what's the total income on the first level. As said earlier, due to 3 direct referrals, 70% calculated to 1050 trons. Apart from that, you can earn income due to duplicate sales as well. When these 3 members provide sales like us, we end up with 9 sales under us. When we calculate 10% of it, we get 450 trons. When these 9 members provide 3 sales, out of 27 sales, if we calculate 10%, we get 1050 trons. When these 27 members give 3 sales each, we have 81 sales under us. Now calculate 10% of it, it's 4050 trons. So on the first level, we are earning about 6900 trons. Due to the duplicate sales done by the team members in the first level, you will be earning throughout the level. It's one of the best plans provided by VZillion. That is, in the first level, you will spend only 500 trons but earn 6900 trons. You can earn up to 1380 through the plan in the first level itself. This is only a projection of 3 direct sales under us. If it was 9 direct sales, then we could have earned a profit of 20,700 trons on the first level. Now imagine if it was 30 direct sales, then it would have been 10 times more than the projected profit, as in 69,000 trons in the first level itself. Unlimited and enormous income is waiting for you in VZillion. Only VZillion has above the sky limit plans for everyone. You will decide as to how much profit you will earn. It gives you the possibility to earn the maximum in the business. The biggest highlight of VZillion is that you may give as many direct referrals as possible with your own team and decide your own profit, which ranges from 1380% to the maximum that you can earn. Anyone can earn the maximum in VZillion. If you can understand the concept and operate systematically, then you can win this. Now let's see the second level upgrade. Top-up amount for second level is 1000 tron. This also can be paid in 3 easy partial payments. First part 300 tron, second 325 tron, and third 375 trons. Due to direct referral, income earned in the first level is 1050 tron, and that's only the 70% of the income earned. Out of this, only 300 trons can be paid to upgrade into the second level. Once the sales are done, you can pay the remaining amount in easy partial payments and upgrade yourself. With the income earned, you will be utilizing the least amount to top up to the next level, which is also the fastest way of growing. Second level, you earn 1000 tron. Since you have already claimed the 70% from the direct sales in the first level, the next duplicate sales done by 9 members on the second level, you can earn 6300 tron. Here also, 9 sales is just a projection. If there were more sales in the first level itself, then the profit earned will also be more. In such a case, you will not only earn 6300 tron in the second level, but you will be able to earn much more than that. Let's see the possibility. As we said earlier, when we calculate 9 members into 1000 trons into 70% amounts to 6300 trons. Other than that, when 27 members upgrade themselves, you can earn 2700 trons, which is 10% of their upgrade. So the next 81 members, when they upgrade themselves in the second level, you can earn 8100 trons, which is 10% of their upgrade. The next 243 members upgrade themselves, you can earn 10% of it, which is 24,300 trons. So the total income earned on the second level is 41,400 tron. Now let's see the third level. Top-up amount of third level is 5,000 trons. It can be easily divided and paid in installments. In the third level, the first part you will have to pay only 750 trons. Second part 1000 trons. Third part 1500 trons. Fourth part 1750 trons. Now we have to calculate the income derived from the third level. We have claimed the income from 3 sales in the first level. 9-member commission was claimed in the second level. Now in the third level with 27 members, if we have to calculate 70% of the commission, you will be earning 94,500 trons. You can earn much more than that in the third level. As I said earlier, with 70% commission from 27-member team, you can earn not just 94,500 tron, but when your next 81 members upgrade themselves and you calculate 10% out of it, our income would be 40,500 tron. When the next 243 members also upgrade themselves in the third level, you can earn 1,21,500 trons. Now when the next 729 members also upgrade themselves in the third level, 10% of it amounts to 3,64,500 can be earned by you. So the total amount earned in the third level would be 6,21,000 trons. Fourth level holds a top-up amount of 40,000 trons, which can be paid easily in 5 parts through easy partial payments and upgraded. First part 2,500 tron, second part 5,000 tron, third part 7,500 tron, fourth part 10,000 tron and fifth part 15,000 tron. Let's see the income earned in the fourth level. Since we have already claimed the income from 3, 9, 27 members from the earlier levels, when 81 members from the fourth level upgrade themselves, calculating 70% of their commission, our income would be 22,68,000 tron. Now let's see what's the total income on the fourth level. After 81 members upgrade themselves, we calculate 70% commission, 22,68,000 tron will be the amount received by us. Now when 243 members also upgrade themselves like us in the fourth level, calculating 10% of it, we stand a chance to earn 9,72,000 trons. Next, when 729 members upgrade themselves in fourth level, 10% of that is 29,16,000 will be earned by you. Now when 2,187 members upgrade themselves, 10% of which, that is 87,48,000 trons will be earned by you. Now when you add up the total amount on the fourth level is 1,49,04,000 trons. From cycle 1 traveling through the level, you can show the amount earned through the box system. 4 levels with a small team using easy partial payment system, you will be able to earn large amount of profit within less time. That is VZillion's success plan. First level 500 tron, when 3 members register with 500 trons, calculating 70% commission, we get 1,050 trons. When 3 members do 3 sales each, then we get 9 members under us. When they pay 500 trons and upgrade themselves, we get a commission of 10%, which amounts to 450 trons earned by us. When each of the 9 members provide sales, we will get 27 members under us. 500 trons paid by each member and 10% of the income amounts to 1,350 trons. When each of the 27 members provide sales, we will be getting 81 members under us. 10% of the income out of it will be 4,050 trons earned by us. So the total amount earned by us in the first level is 6,900 tron. We'll be taking the top-up amount from this amount for the next level, which is only 1,000 tron. So when we deduct the top-up amount, then the profit gained by us in the first level is 5,900 trons. Let's see the second level. Top-up amount for this level is 1000 rounds. We will be taking this from the 9-member commission. So 9 members into 1000 into 70% amounts to 6300 trons, which is our income. The 27 members, when they upgrade themselves to the second level, 10% of their commission would be 2700 trons would be earned by us. Now when the next 81 members upgrade themselves on the second level, calculating 10% of their commission, our income would be 8100 tron. When the next 243 members upgrade themselves on the second level, calculating 10% commission, our income would be 24,300 tron. So the total income earned on the second level is 41,400 tron. Third level top-up amount is 5,000 tron will be taken from this. So deducting this 5,000 tron, total amount earned by us on the second level is 36,400 tron. Now the third level, top-up amount for this level is 5,000 tron. Here we can avail 70% commission of the 27 members. The calculated income earned by us is 94,500 tron. When the next 81 members upgrade themselves, 10% of their commission earned by us would be 40,500 tron. When 243 members upgrade themselves, 10% of their commission earned by us will be 1,21,500 tron. When the next 729 members upgrade themselves, 10% of their commission we would earn 3,64,500 tron. So the total income earned in third level is 6,21,000 tron. Top-up for the fourth level will be taken from this, that is 40,000 tron. So the profit earned by us in the third level is 5,81,000 tron. Top-up amount on the fourth level is 40,000 tron. Since we are upgrading in the fourth level with 40,000 tron, the 70% commission that we would receive would be from 81 members, which amounts to 22,68,000 trons. When 243 members upgrade themselves, 10% of their commission earned by us would be 9,72,000 tron. When the next 729 members upgrade themselves, 10% of their commission that we would earn would be 29,16,000 tron. Now when 2,187 members upgrade themselves, 10% of which is 87,48,000 trons will be earned by you. Now when you add up the total amount on the fourth level is 1,49,04,000 trons. So the total income earned in the fourth level is 6,21,000 tron. We will be taking the top-up amount for the fifth level from this amount, that is 1 lakh tron. If we deduct 1 lakh tron, the total profit earned by us in the fourth level is 1,48,04,000 trons. If we calculate this amount in Indian rupees, which is approximately 3.5 crore, just imagine we have seen 4 levels in one level. In the first cycle, when we calculate the income earned in all 4 levels, VZillion has provided the maximum amount of profit than any other business. The biggest highlight of VZillion is that even if you form a small team and start with the first level, for every level that you and your team upgrades to, even if it is the last level, you are constantly earning income. It is an easiest way to earn tron every day. So if we set a good team and start at level 1 and keep upgrading ourselves, then we will be able to earn a very good income at every level. If you can calculate the profits, you will be able to understand the interesting facts about this business. So, I would request you to attend our meetings, including Zoom meetings. You will be able to meet and discuss with the other members as well. We have only put 3 sales only to project the plan to you. If you are able to gather more direct referrals in the first level and you and your team keep upgrading yourselves, then you will not only be able to gain the 3.5 crore from the 4 level in cycle 1, but it could be much more than that. What we have projected is only 3 direct sales. Just imagine if that was 9 direct sales, then the profit would have been 3 times more. The business can also be done with only 1 direct sale. You will be able to earn 1 lakh tron in the first cycle itself. For instance, if your direct sales was 10 times more, then your profit also would be 10 times more. VZillion gives you an opportunity to earn more than any business would do. Next, we would be discussing about cycle 2, passive income. Let's see passive 1. This has got only 4 levels: 5th, 6th, 7th and the 8th level. The top-up amount on 5th level is 1 lakh tron. 6th level is 1,50,000 tron, 7th level is 3 lakh tron and 8th level is 6 lakh tron. Let's talk about the 5th level upgrade. Anyone can pay and get upgraded through easy partial payment. Fifth level top-up can be paid in 4 parts. First part consists of 20,000 trons, second part 23,000 trons, third part 27,000 trons, and fourth part 30,000 trons. Let's see the income on this level. As said before, this is a passive income. Anybody can come in this income. Anyone from upline, downline, or even somebody from a different team can also join this passive income. So you as a registered person can have only 3 members for the passive income in the 5th level. So when these 3 members pay 1 lakh each and upgrade themselves, the income received by us would be calculated as 1 lakh into 3 members into 90% would amount to 2.7 lakh tron. Top up for the 6th level is 1 lakh 50,000 tron. Anyone can pay and get upgraded through easy partial payment. 6th level top-up can be paid in 4 parts. First part consists of 32,000 tron, second part 35,000 tron, third part 40,000 tron, and the fourth part 43,000 tron. Let's see the income on this level. As said before, this is a passive income. Since we have already claimed income from 3 members, we can get income only from 9 members. So when these 9 members pay 1.5 lakh each and upgrade themselves, the income received by us would be calculated as 1.5 into 9 members into 90% would amount to 12 lakh 15,000 tron. Top up for the 6th level is 1 lakh 50,000 tron. 7th level top-up amount is 3 lakh tron. 7th level top-up can be paid in 5 parts. First part consists of 50,000 trons, second 55,000 trons, third 60,000 trons, fourth 65,000 trons, and the fifth 70,000 tron. Let's see the income on this level. As said before, this is a passive income. Since we have already claimed income from 3 members and 9 members, we can get income only from 27 members. So when these 27 members pay 3 lakh each and upgrade themselves, the income received by us would be calculated as 3 lakh into 27 members into 90% would amount to 72 lakh 90,000 tron. Now let's see the 8th level. Top up for the 8th level is 6 lakh tron. 8th level top-up can be paid in 5 parts. First part consists of 1 lakh trons, second level 1.1 lakh tron, third level 1.2 lakh tron, fourth level 1.3 lakh tron, fifth level 1.4 lakh tron. Let's see the income on this level. As said before, this is a passive income. Since we have already claimed income from 3, 9 and 27 members, we can get income only from 81 members. So when these 81 members pay 6 lakh each and upgrade themselves, the income received by us would be calculated as 6 lakh into 81 members into 90%, which amounts to 4 crore 37 lakhs 40,000 tron. Since the box system is easy to understand, I am showing it this way. Let's talk about the 5th level upgrade. As you have registered person, you have only 3 members for the passive income in the 5th level. So when these 3 members pay 1 lakh each and upgrade themselves, the income received by us would be calculated as 1 lakh into 3 members into 90%, which amounts to 27 lakh tron. Top up for the 6th level is 1.5 lakh tron, which can be taken from this amount. So 2.7 lakh minus 1.5 lakh would be 1.2 lakh, and that's the profit on this level. Top up for the 6th level is 1.5 lakh tron. Let's see the income on this level. So when these 9 members pay 1.5 lakh each and upgrade themselves, the income received by us would be calculated as 1.5 lakh into 9 members into 90%, which amounts to 12 lakh 15,000 trons. Top up amount for the 7th level would be taken from here. So 12 lakh 15,000 minus 3 lakh would be 9 lakh 15,000 tron, and that's the profit on this level. 7th level top-up amount is 3 lakh tron. We can get income only from 27 members. So when these 27 members pay 3 lakh each and upgrade themselves, the income received by us would be calculated as 3 lakh into 27 members into 90%, which amounts to 72 lakh 90,000 tron. Top up for the 8th level is 6 lakh tron would be taken from here. So 72 lakh 90,000 tron minus 6 lakh is 66 lakh 90,000 tron, and that's the profit on this level. Now let's see the 8th level. Top up for the 8th level is 6 lakh tron. So when these 81 members pay 6 lakh each and upgrade themselves, the income received by us would be calculated as 6 lakh into 81 members into 90%, which amounts to 4 crore 37 lakh 40,000 tron. From here, if we minus a top-up amount 10 lakhs for the 9th level, the total profit that we gain would be 4 crore 36 lakh 40,000 tron. If we total the profit gained on these levels, it would amount to 11 crore 60 lakh in Indian currency. The same cycle has passive 2 as well. It has only 3 levels: 9th level 10 lakh tron, 10th level 15 lakh tron, and 11th level 25 lakh tron. Now let's see how we can pay the top-up amount. 9th level, the top-up amount is 10 lakh tron. This can be paid in 5 easy partial payments. Each part payment will amount to 2 lakh tron. This is also a 3-matrix system, so only 3 members can join in the passive income. When they also pay up 10 lakh tron and upgrade themselves, 90% of the income that we will receive is 27 lakh tron. 10th level, the top-up amount is 15 lakh tron. This can be paid in 5 easy partial payments. Each part payment will amount to 3 lakh trons. Since we have already claimed the income from 3 members, now 9 members can join the system. When they also pay up 15 lakh tron and upgrade themselves, 90% of the income that we will receive is 1 crore 21 lakh 50,000 tron. 11th level, the top-up amount is 25 lakh tron. This can be paid in 5 easy partial payments. Each part payment will amount to 5 lakh trons. Since we have already claimed the income from 3 and 9 members, now 27 members can join the system. When they also pay up 25 lakh tron and upgrade themselves, 90% of the income that we will receive is 6 crore 7 lakh 50,000 tron. So the total profit received by us in this second cycle through passive 2 income would be 6 crore 7 lakh 50,000 tron, which when converted to Indian currency would amount to approximately 16.5 crore. Looking at the total profits from active level in cycle 1, it's approximately 3.5 crore in Indian currency. Cycle 2 passive 1 income when converted to Indian currency amounts to 11.6 crore, which you can earn. And finally, cycle 2 passive 2, you can earn approximately 16.5 crore in Indian currency. So combining all the profits from all the levels, you can earn approximately 31.6 crore in Indian currency. This is an opportunity provided only by VZillion. The 3-member sales projected is only for your understanding. In VZillion, you will decide how much profit you will earn. We cannot decide that. This is a wonderful plan, and if you can understand and follow it systematically, then you can achieve much more than the projected images. Greetings from VZillion, wishing you all the best.